Mark Rober's Sand Garden Hack Pack to draw almost any image. This is the Sand Garden from Mark Rober's Hack Pack series, which after some assembly, uses an Arduino to draw a variety of simple patterns right out of the box. But that wasn't enough. I wanted to see palm trees, I wanted to see mountains, I wanted to see a giant army of evil Fat Gus plushies. But how on earth are we supposed to take an image and transform it into instructions for the sand garden? I decided to make this a two-part hack. The first is a web page that takes an image and converts it into instructions on how to draw it. And the second is code that deploys to the Arduino that would take those instructions and use them to draw the image on the sand garden. The sand garden draws with the marble. It's like drawing with a pen that you can't take off the paper. So how do we figure out how to draw the image without separating paper and pen? First we should figure out what we're actually drawing. For one thing, it can't draw in color. If I give you a pen and ask you to draw a palm tree, it would probably look less like this and more like this. When you see an outline, this is enough for your brain to decipher what the image is. What we need to do is find the outline of the image, which is what the marble would draw. To find the outline, what we're essentially doing is looking for the edges of objects. But since the computer doesn't know what's an object and what's not, it needs to search the image for drastic changes from one color to another. For example, like where this yellow sand meets the blue water. Now we've got the outline, we need to convert them into a set of points and decide how to connect them. It's like the dot-to-dot puzzles that you did when you were younger. It's important to have more dots where the image curves a lot, and you can have less where the lines are straighter. Within the algorithm, there are ways to tune it and make it create a more realistic version and use more dots. Or, if you want to save memory, you can use fewer dots with more straight lines in between them. Then, we have to decide in what order to connect the dots to best draw the image. Imagine the lines we need to draw are islands, and the space we don't want to draw in between them is treacherous sea. Your crew has been tasked with charting all the land, but you want to avoid as much of the treacherous seas as possible. Luckily, your crew came up with a great idea. After charting one full island, they would look for the nearest island to it before heading out, and then backtrack around the current island to the point nearest to the destination before venturing into the treacherous sea. And that's exactly what we want to do with the sand garden. And lastly, we're going to output the points as polar coordinates so that they can be easily interpreted by the sand garden. Once we have all this, we've essentially got our instructions to tell someone, or something, how to draw the image. The second part of this hack is to tell the Arduino how to follow the instructions. I added a special pattern to the provided code that tells the Arduino how to solve a dot-to-dot puzzle, and then I can take the instructions generated in the first step and just drop them right in. And when we deploy the code and run the pattern, we can create some amazing images. This is just the tip of the iceberg. If you want to try out this hack for yourself, you can go to the link in the description to see what your images would look like on the sand garden. Try and pick simpler images, like silhouettes or images you might find in a coloring book for best results. If you have a sand garden and you want to try hacking it yourself, go to level 3 in the Hack Pack IDE and make the changes shown in the GitHub link below. Then just copy the coordinates the website gives you and paste it into the code, or use one of the included example images. If you don't have a sand garden but are interested in getting one, there are details in the description below. Have fun hacking! If you thought this was cool or want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below. It's completely free and it helps out a ton. Let me know what you thought of my hack in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!